How's it going, guys? So coming to you about the AUSSIE custom console that I actually got made for my car, and it didn't work out. And my bloke right here, Dan, I'm going to show you what he did to it. So do me a favor, before we get into it, hit the like button, because it does help the videos get out there and it helps with the algorithm. Hey, will you shut up over there, you wanker? Jeez, trying to shoot and wankers are making bloody noises and everything. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is show you what Dan did to the consoles. The stock one, the one that AUSSIE basically screwed up, and how he fixed it. And then we're going to mount the head units and show you what they look like. All right, so this is Dan, everybody.
How you doing?
So this obviously is the stock one. All right, so when you order one from AUSSIE Customs, you either send this one to them, or they'll buy a new one and basically customize it. It takes about 6 weeks. And then this is the one that AUSSIE did, and Dan had to redo it completely. So you can see up here how smooth this is. And if you check out this video that I'm going to put up now.
So one thing I wanted to add about this thing is it took about 5 weeks to get it, and I didn't see anything on the website that indicated that. So apparently after you order it, that's when they order the piece, and then by the time they get it and modify it, it takes 5 weeks to get it. Now after 5 weeks, pretty disappointed that it turns up like this. I mean, look at that, that's terrible. Right there. Apparently if you supply your own piece, it only takes a couple weeks, but again, I didn't see anything on the website that said that. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. But anyway, super disappointed.
You can see how crap the other one was before. Dan spent what, 2 days fixing this one? Yeah, so that's basically it. And this is the AirPro climate control, and she's now doubled in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Blaupunkt back in this one just to show you the difference. And then I've got an ILX-309 Alpine for this one. I can't mount it up, but I can just basically stick it there and show you what it's going to look like. So let's do that. All right, so this obviously is the stock Blaupunkt. You can see the size of the screen. And this is the ILX-309 Alpine. And you can see it again. Oh, geez, I gave it bird by accident. Anyway, so you can see the difference, like, we put that right there, and it's a huge difference. So anyway, let me get the new one. Swanker, I tell you. Let me get the other one real quick. All right, you can see the obvious difference. I mean, look at this screen. It's crazy, the size difference. And you've got your dual climate controls down here, and your old climate controls on this one. But look at this. Look at these gauge pods. So basically they have air, fuel, oil pressure, and trans temp right there. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks Dan, appreciate you, mate.
No problem.
All right guys, so that was the center console that Dan redid from AUSSIE Customs. So if you like the video, hit the like button for me, and subscribe if you will, because there's going to be way more content. I've got the audio install coming for it. So anyway, like I said, hit the like button, subscribe, and that's it. Peace out, guys.